This video I'll do a comparison between these two models for image generation and editing. Seedream 4.0, which is actually an open source model, a free alternative to Google's Nano Banana. So this is their official website, Seedream 4.0. It's recently released and it's now becoming very popular. And this is the Gemini 2.5 flash image Nano Banana model, which is quite popular as well. So I do will be making a comparison. I will side by side looking at the result. These are the models. You can try this Nano Banana model in Google AI Studio for limited usage. Seedream is popular. It's open source, so you can try this model for completely free at huggingface.co and simply search for this model, Seedream. Just search Seed. So if you see, it's basically developed by this company ByteDance. And if you want to look at a website which offers you free access, you can open this website called as LM Arena, where you can do the comparison. So simply go to this website lmarena.ai in the browser. It offers you unlimited access to any AI model. So simply log in with your Google account, and right here simply select here side by side. Simply select the second option. So right here you can actually compare two different models side by side against each other. So right from the drop down you can select any model. So you need to select the second option from here, generate images. So now it will show you all the image generation models. So at one side we will look at Nano Banana. So right here I will simply first of all select our Nano Banana model. So I selected this. So this is your Nano Banana model, and from here we will select the second model to be Seedream 4. So this is a very insane website, guys, LM Arena. So where you basically compare one model against another. So I will simply write a prompt here, generate image where two guys are doing coding on laptop in desert. So I've just written this prompt and now I want to generate an image. So now what it will do a comparison between these two models. First of all, it's now using this Gemini Nano Banana model at one side and Seedream 4 at the second side. So Nano Banana is little bit fast in generating the image for you. Seedream 4 is open source, it's just taking a lot of quite more time, but here you can compare the actual images which are generated. So this is generated using Nano Banana. As you can see, two guys coding on laptop in desert, and this is the result from Seedream. So I'm really confused at this moment. Both the images look quite good, premium looking. Personally I like the left one more. It's looking like more realistic. It's developed by Nano Banana. So here you can vote, either left is better, a tie, or both are bad, or right is better. We can do multiple comparisons. So right now let me say generate image where a guy is standing tall on top of mountain and waving the USA flag. So now I written this prompt here. So again the AIs are simply generating this image. So here you can perform unlimited tasks. There is no actual restriction out there. So you simply go to this website and you can compare any two models against each other. And this is a really insane website. Again, Nano Banana actually generates the image instantly, while the Seedream, these are the results here. As you can see, a guy standing on top of mountain, USA flag, and this one from Seedream. And both the images look realistic, but still I will prefer the Nano Banana one. So this is actually the comparison. You can do this, and same one you can actually edit images as well. You can actually have the option to actually edit images. So you simply select any image and then you simply provide the instructions how you want to. So I will simply say, please make this angry and grow the hair on head. So now what happens, as you can see, it will actually will edit this image and according to this prompt. So now again, this both these models will edit this image. So as you can see, Nano Banana once again wins. It basically does the job quicker as compared to Seedream. This is the result generated by Nano Banana. As you can see, it made the image angry and also grow the hair as well. So this is really powerful, guys. As you can see, this was the original image. In the You can just see, this is the, it basically is looking like a real picture, and this is basically generated using Seedream. The hair is little bit short. This is also looking great, but still I will prefer the left picture because it's looking more realistic as compared to Seedream. So right here, guys, you can go to this website lmarina.ai. You can do these comparisons if you want to do of any model image generation. Specifically, I was talking about Seedream, which is an open source model, and Nano Banana. So you can decide after watching this which one is better. You can comment on this video which one are you using. So my answer will be Nano Banana is a little bit more popular than Seedream, or better. So right here you can vote left is better. So your vote is captured, and then they actually have a leaderboard section right here for image editing model, text to image. So they're actually, you can see Nano Banana is ranking at the first position. Then comes your Seedream 4. So these are the two famous image generation models. So this website updates regularly. So it basically capture your votes from the general public, and it last updated on 16 September 2025. Total models is 12. So this is, you can check out this website for comparing different models.